Hello, everybody. This may look a little different. I'm using my actual laptop's camera to record this. I'm using software called Loom. It's a video recording software. And I just want to make a quick little tutorial. It's not really much of a tutorial, but um, I just want to explain some good concepts of website design. And this is a website that a buddy of mine created. He's letting me um, show it off. So yeah. Here's just some things. So first off, you can see that over here he has his phone number, and it goes directly to your app. Mine's connected to my phone, so it's letting me use Skype, which is good. So it's call to action. The biggest call to action is right here, though. So again, he has multiple call to actions on here. There's email, and then there's a phone here and here. So that's the big first thing is call to action. Make sure you have a call to action on your website, especially uh, as soon as somebody gets on your site, there should be a call to action there. So that helps to bring in clients because a lot of times people are coming to your site for a reason. So you want to have them, you want to be ready when they get to your site. Um, the other thing that's good, like I said, multiple call to actions, and there's a call to action on each page on the bottom, which there you go. So that's great. If you can do that, what you should be able to, if you'll build a footer for your site. You'll have a call to action on the bottom of each page. So other than that, that was the biggest thing, honestly, is a call to action. Very impressive. The other thing is there's a lot of text, which I'm not a huge fan of personally, but it's good to have keywords on your site. So obviously, Tucson landscaping. There's landscaping. Probably I can only imagine. Yeah, see, it's a lot of landscaping. So this is for keywords. So it helps Google find you. Um, so therefore, people can find your business. Scrolling through here, I've actually already done a review of this site for him. So I just wanted to go through and kind of show off like some good key features of having your site. Uh, it's good to use. This kind of a tip for anybody that's. This is a landscaping site, as you can see, all the keywords. But for pictures, it's good to have like your team or something more personable, not much of a like a stock photo. I assume this is probably a stock photo. It looks like it. And also another thing is he has his Facebook and his email. Facebook and email here in front as a call to action as well, which is a good thing. And he has backlinks throughout his text. Um, Another thing is more of a critique, I guess, is ad. Like it's pretty plain. I mean, a lot of text. It's white, which it fits some people, but it's good to have color, especially if like you have something specific you want to show off. Like if there's a certain if there was a certain kind of like service maybe he wanted to offer that he really focused on, he could highlight this somehow. Maybe it was a different color, or put it up top. You know, maybe here more. And the other thing is, I said this in the initial video, is to add a gallery, uh, so that when people come to the site, then they can see that like what you've done, um, and also it's good to have like before and after pictures. People really like that. A lot of landscaping companies have that in their website, before and after pictures, as well as if you have, which is something I don't see very often, but I think it'd be a good thing to have, is if you have happy clients that you've done work for, if they can like take a picture, if you can take a picture of them like at their property, or you don't have to show their house or anything. So then you have like it's proof that people are enjoying what you're doing. So yeah, okay. This is Ryan with Blue Black Digital. I just want to make this quick video as little tips. Um, Thank you for watching and have a good day.